Hello, I'm here at 1474 Redfish Point Rd in Gulf Breeze 32563. This home was built in 1979. 960 square feet. We've got 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths. From end to end, this home has been renovated and just recently completed. All new cabinets in the kitchen, brand new stainless steel appliances, windows, doors, the whole 9. We've got recessed lighting, open floor plan. As you can see, we've got a generous living and kitchen dining area. Granite countertops too, and subway tile backsplash. Bonus space just off of the living room. So this could be den, this could be office, whatever suits your needs. Very generous laundry and utility room, so tons of extra storage. I do believe that outside a new driveway is in the works to be poured. So we've got our hall closet to the left. And maybe HVAC. HVAC, brand new. To the right, full bathroom. Got the granite countertops on the vanity here. Tiled all the way to the ceiling. We've got dual shower heads, so we've got the rain shower coming from the ceiling. Chic finishes. Additional bedroom number 1. Additional bedroom number 2. Across the hall is our master bedroom. We've got the luxury vinyl on the floors throughout, and a cool neutral palette, and then a master bathroom. Here we are. Same chic finishes that we saw in the other bathroom. Shower tub combo, and this does, so you can see Jack and Jill to the hall bath. Access on both sides. And sitting on a corner lot at 0.4 of an acre, so nearly half an acre. Gorgeous finishes, completely remodeled. Y'all come feast your eyes.